Scientists are buzzing with excitement as they zero in on a tantalizing mystery lurking in the dark recesses beyond Neptune. Could a new planet, potentially 10 times the size of Earth, be hiding in the far reaches of our solar system? Welcome to another deep dive into the cosmic unknown. Today, we're exploring the intriguing possibility of a hidden giant in the solar system, often referred to as Planet 9. Despite its elusive nature, the evidence for its existence is mounting. Could this massive planet be right under our noses? And what would its discovery mean for our understanding of the solar system? Let's find out. Planet 9, as it's tentatively called, remains unseen, but scientists are almost certain of its existence. Positioned far beyond Neptune's orbit in the Kuiper belt, this planet could be a colossal wonder, about 10 times the size of Earth. The journey to uncover this enigmatic world began with anomalies observed in the orbits of several trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs. A group that has intrigued researchers since 2012. The quest for Planet 9 was ignited by astronomer Michael E. Brown, who, along with colleagues Chad Trujillo and Scott S. Shepard, analyzed the orbits of objects like 2012 VP-113. Their research suggested that Planet 9 might be significantly larger than initially thought. The French Cassini mission, while primarily focused on Saturn, also contributed to the intrigue, adding weight to the belief in a massive object in the outer solar system. Fast forward to 2024, and Brown, alongside colleague Konstantin Batygin, presented new evidence reinforcing the planet's existence. Their simulations indicate a body approximately 10 times more massive than Earth, orbiting far from the Sun on a highly elliptical path. This orbit is so vast that Planet 9 might only come near the Sun once every 6,000 to 7,000 years, making it incredibly difficult to spot. Despite the compelling evidence pointing toward the existence of Planet 9, the search for this elusive world is far from over. The region beyond Neptune, where Planet 9 is thought to reside, is vast, dark, and largely uncharted, posing significant challenges for astronomers and scientists. This part of our solar system, known as the Kuiper belt, is an enormous, distant area filled with icy bodies and remnants from the early solar system. Its sheer size and the faintness of its objects make it an incredibly difficult area to study. The Kuiper belt extends from just beyond Neptune's orbit out to about 50 astronomical units, from the Sun. To put that in perspective, 1 astronomical unit is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, approximately 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. So, the Kuiper belt stretches out to around 7.5 billion miles or 12 billion kilometers from the Sun, making it an almost unimaginable distance. Within this immense region, astronomers have identified thousands of objects, but the majority remain poorly understood due to the difficulty of observing such faint and distant bodies. In this challenging environment, the search for Planet 9 has been fraught with both excitement and skepticism. Despite the significant advancements in observational technology, the planet remains elusive. The primary reason for this difficulty is the planet's potential distance from the Sun. Planet 9 is hypothesized to be on an extremely elongated orbit, which could take it as far out as 700 astronomical units from the Sun at its most distant point. At such distances, the light from the Sun is incredibly weak, making it hard to detect objects that are not emitting their own light. Furthermore, the Kuiper belt is densely populated with a wide variety of small icy bodies, which adds to the complexity of the search. These objects, known as trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs, are scattered across the region and can sometimes obscure or confuse observations. Their orbits are influenced by the gravity of distant objects, which complicates the process of pinpointing the exact location of a potentially massive Planet 9. While the evidence supporting Planet 9's existence is robust, with anomalies in the orbits of several TNOs suggesting the presence of a large, unseen object, some researchers remain unconvinced. They propose alternative explanations for these orbital anomalies. One such hypothesis is the presence of a tiny black hole. Black holes, despite being incredibly difficult to detect due to their nature of not emitting light, could exert significant gravitational forces on nearby objects. A small black hole could, theoretically, influence the orbits of TNOs in a manner similar to that predicted for Planet 9. Another alternative explanation is the possibility of yet undiscovered Kuiper belt phenomena. The Kuiper belt is a relatively new area of study in the context of modern astronomy, and many of its features remain unknown. Some scientists suggest that the anomalies observed could be due to more complex dynamics within the Kuiper belt itself, such as the gravitational influence of numerous small bodies or the presence of a large, unseen population of objects. Despite these competing theories, the consensus in the scientific community leans heavily toward the existence of Planet 9. The probabilities supporting this hypothesis are remarkably high, with estimates suggesting a better than 90% chance that such a planet exists. This conclusion is based on extensive mathematical modeling and simulations that take into account the observed orbital patterns of TNOs. These models have consistently pointed toward the presence of a massive object exerting gravitational influence on the orbits of these distant bodies. The ongoing search for Planet 9 is not just a quest for a new planet but also a profound investigation into the nature and formation of our solar system. Discovering Planet 9 would provide crucial insights into the early solar system's dynamics and the processes that shape the current configuration of our planetary system. It would also help refine our understanding of how planets form and interact in the outer reaches of a solar system. As observational technology continues to advance, astronomers are hopeful that new instruments will eventually provide the key to confirming or refuting the existence of Planet 9. Upcoming projects, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, are expected to play pivotal roles in this search. These telescopes are designed to survey the sky with unprecedented detail and sensitivity, potentially uncovering the elusive planet. In conclusion, the evidence supporting the existence of Planet 9 is indeed compelling, with numerous observations and simulations suggesting a high probability of its presence. However, the search for this elusive planet continues to pose significant challenges. The vast and largely uncharted territory beyond Neptune, coupled with the enigmatic nature of the Kuiper belt and the complexity of its dynamics, means that scientists must approach their quest with a mix of determination and caution. Competing theories and alternative explanations, such as the possibility of unseen massive objects or exotic phenomena, add further layers of complexity to the search. Despite these challenges, the future of this investigation holds thrilling prospects. The confirmation of Planet 9 would not only mark a groundbreaking achievement in our exploration of the solar system, but also deepen our understanding of the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood and the forces shaping it. What if Planet 9 is found? Its discovery could not only reshape our understanding of the solar system but potentially restore Pluto's status as a planet. As we continue to explore this cosmic mystery, upcoming super telescopes like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, and the upgraded ALMA Observatory are set to enhance our search capabilities. The possibility of sending a probe to explore Planet 9, if it exists, remains an exciting prospect. So, what do you think? Could we be on the brink of discovering a new giant in our solar system? Subscribe now and stay tuned as we uncover more about the universe's greatest mysteries. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in space exploration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What names do you think would suit Planet 9?